All right, pilots, goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. "90 seconds in, 30 seconds still to go. Leader Aerial Link working on lap number 3. Pair of 40s so far to his credit. May get a 4th lap. He's under the 40s on this one. 20 seconds still to go. All right, in his first round, he only got 1 lap. So definitely was looking for that 3rd. Currently sitting with a 2. Here, top 16, we need 3 laps recorded. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. It is a checkered flag at our Collegiate Drone Racing Championship start finish gate. Finishing up with 2, Captain Kerr and Sticks and Stones. Sticks and Stones down now. Looks like 3 laps, a 44, a 42, and a 39 for a total of 3 laps in 2:05. Still has him about in the number 6 spot overall. Aerial Link is back up. Clock still rolling for him. And we're trying to round things out with Captain Kerr as well. I don't know what happened with the camera on Aerial Link, but it is sunk way into that canopy. But you need 3 laps to make our top 32. Let's see what happens here for Aerial Link. He's going to get across the line. 3 laps in 2 minutes 43, and that is 15th. That is inside of the top 16 at the moment. 1 to finish up. Captain Kerr wrapping up lap number 2. Looking for this lap that would put him inside of our overall top 32. Captain Kerr, 2 laps in 3 minutes 14. That's it. Let's trace some quads.